Maggie here, bringing you another video. Today I am going to be sharing with you a swap that I participated in. I received it, and it was supposed to be a swap that we did, gosh, way back in like March. Yeah, or the end of February, first part of March. And it was a spring themed Memorydex card. And if you don't know what a Memorydex card, it's basically like a big index card that has little holes on it, and you put it like in a business card or a Rolodex type system, and you decorate them for seasons or whatever. It's just kind of a fun thing to kind of mimic the Rolodex vintage thing. So anyway, finally we swapped our little Memorydex cards. She lives local to me, so we were kind of waiting on a time so that we can actually meet, because it'll be the first craft friend that I have that kind of came off of the same craft page. So she went above and beyond, because she created the envelope for it, and then she also created a little junk journal for me. So that was really super sweet, and I feel horrible because I just did our swap. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what she did. She made a beautiful envelope for it, and then she stuffed it with goodies, and it was like wrapped this way like this. I haven't seen the goodies, but I did undo the bow because I didn't want to ruin this, not paying attention. So let's see what it is. I don't know what that was. Nothing. Oh, she sent some little die cuts. So here is the Memorydex card. Super cute little girl on there. I think this will be my first one with a doll or a little paper doll scenario. But it just says hello spring. It's got glitter here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. And then she sent along some goodies, which is just like scrap pieces of paper. I love that. And then some die cuts, because we had talked about die cuts in our emails, our messages to each other. So she sent along some little die cuts. She has die cut machines, and so do I. So we talked about possibly sharing some bits. And she sent the flowers, and these can be layered and create 3D flowers with these, and they're on nice like chipboard too, so they'll bend nicely in little butterflies, and which is kind of like the butterfly she attached here. So that was really cool. It was really nice of her to do that. And then I'm going to show you the little excuse me, junk journal she created for me. She put these handmade bead on there, and there's a little angel that goes to it right here that is attached to this hoop. So there's that. And oh, she gave me some dies. So these are the dies that you use in the die cut machines. These are like thinglets, and it just basically cuts out that shape for you in the various shapes. So this is cool. So nice. And this looks like coffee or tea stained paper. Again, coffee or tea stained paper. Little junk journal, and this looks like a pocket. Yeah, this is what's called a tuck spot, so you can tuck things back in there. And it's a cute little book. This is like paper bag, little junk journal made out of scrapbook paper and various types of paper. This is, as you can see, a paper bag that she turned into pockets, which is really nice. Oh, how cool is this? I'm gonna have to think of what to use this for, because I have no idea. And she found it here. I didn't show you the binding, did I? She found it with pink, ripped pink string. So this is really cute. This could be a cute, oh, it's 2 signatures. Junk journal. So very lovely. Music paper. So yeah. Yep. And I like this, the little fringy pink to cover up the strings that would usually be here for the signatures. So this is got some texture to it, and it's nice cardstock thickness that she decoupaged and decorated. So it's quite lovely. Feels good on the hands. I like how this stuff feels, and I love to hear how the crinkle of the paper. So anyway, that's what I have for you guys. I just would like to say thank you to Dawn, who was my swap partner, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.